That's it, Brian?
Yes.
Bet you're looking for something new.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be having a slime restock. Here is the first one, and this is banana pudding, and it will come with one banana charm. Then we have chocolate chip chunks, and this one is the crunchiest one out of this restock, I think. I don't know, you guys comment down below which one is the crunchiest one, but this one comes with those little foam pieces that a lot of people are using. This one is also scented like spiced pomegranate. Then we have Oreo milkshake, and this one will come with that Oreo charm, and it is a really nice cloud cream, very soft and very stretchy. Then we have Nucita, and this is a white chocolate and normal chocolate candy that I eat a lot. It is a kind of like a butter slime, you can say, but it doesn't have any clay in it. It's really nice and it smells really good. It has chocolate and marshmallow. Then we have Yin Yang, I think that's how you say it, but this is a full cloud slime. It does leave a little bit of residue in your hands, but it will come topped with those white sprinkles and that charm, and it falls really nice. It's definitely one of my favorite cloud slimes. Then we have M&M cookie batter. I'm sorry about that. This one, it is a full foam, very stretchy, very crunchy, really nice, and it will come with one M&M charm. By the way guys, if you buy 3 or more, you will be getting a free slime, and you might get a free add-in into slime, and I will have those on my Instagram. If you guys want to check it out, I will link it down below. Then we have strawberry milkshake, and this is another full foam. Expect a lot of foam slimes because I ordered a big bag of foam beads. So yeah, this one will come with one charm, one of those strawberry charms, which is really cute, and they are glass, so be careful with those. Then we have this clear slime. I didn't really play with this one because I want to clear up, but if you guys want to see it, you can wait a couple days and check out my Instagram, where I will have a full video on that. Then we have cake batter, and this one smells just like cake, really nice. And I forgot to say that the strawberry milkshake smells just like strawberries, and this one is a very thick and glossy slime, and it will come with a whole bunch of sprinkles. Then we have Mystery Pink Ocean, and this one will come with a random charm, which is really cute. I really like it. So we have a pink color and a whole bunch of sprinkles and foam beads. The only difference is that you might get a turtle, you might get a princess or something like that. It's going to be all random. So this one doesn't have a name yet, but if you guys want to see the name, check out my Instagram. I will have it over there. And this one is actually made by my mom, so shout outs to her. This has an amazing texture, and the color that it ends up like is really pretty actually. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe, and check out my Instagram to know when I will be opening my shop. If you guys would like to buy right now, just DM me on Instagram and I'll let you know, but make sure that you have PayPal. Bye!